Everyone has the occasional senior moment. Maybe you've gone into the kitchen and can't remember why, or can't recall a familiar name during a conversation. Memory lapses can occur at any age. Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Here's a video on how to keep the brain sharp at all times. Research has shown that there are many ways you can hone your mental sharpness and help your brain stay healthy, no matter what age you are. Doing certain brain exercises to help boost your memory, concentration, and focus can make daily tasks quicker and easier to do, and keep your brain sharp as you get older. 1. Have fun with a jigsaw puzzle. Whether you're putting together a 1,000-piece image of the Eiffel Tower or joining 100 pieces to make Mickey Mouse, working on a jigsaw puzzle is an excellent way to strengthen your brain. Research has shown that doing jigsaw puzzles recruits multiple cognitive abilities and is a protective factor for visuospatial cognitive aging. In other words, when putting together a jigsaw puzzle, you have to look at different pieces and figure out where they fit within the larger picture. This can be a great way to challenge and exercise your brain. 2. Try your hand at cards. When's the last time you played a game of cards? Researchers who conducted a study in 2015 on mentally stimulating activities for adults say a quick card game can lead to greater brain volume in several regions of the brain. The same study also found that a game of cards could improve memory and thinking skills. 3. Build your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary has a way of making you sound smart. But did you know you can also turn a quick vocab lesson into a stimulating brain game? Research shows that many more regions of the brain are involved in vocabulary tasks, particularly in areas that are important for visual and auditory processing. To test this theory, try this cognitive-boosting activity. Keep a notebook with you when you read. Write down one unfamiliar word, then look up the definition. Try to use that word 5 times the next day. 4. Dance your heart out. The Centers for Disease Prevention and Control notes that learning new dance moves can increase your brain's processing speed and memory. In other words, bust a move on the dance floor and your brain will thank you. 5. Use all your senses. A 2015 research suggests that using all your senses may help strengthen your brain. To give your senses and your brain a workout, try doing activities that simultaneously engage all 5 of your senses. You could try baking a batch of cookies, visiting a farmer's market, or trying a new restaurant while you focus on smelling, touching, tasting, seeing, and hearing all at the same time. 6. Learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is not only fun and interesting, but it may also help strengthen the connections in your brain. Research also shows that learning a new skill can help improve memory function in older adults. Is there something you've always wanted to learn how to do? Perhaps you'd like to know how to repair your car, use a particular software program, or ride a horse. You now have one more good reason to learn that new skill. 7. Teach a new skill to someone else. One of the best ways to expand your learning is to teach a skill to another person. After you learn a new skill, you need to practice it. Teaching it to someone else requires you to explain the concept and correct any mistakes you make. For example, learn to swing a golf club, then teach the steps to a friend. 8. Listen to or play music. Do you want an easy way to increase your creative brain power? The answer may lie in turning on some music. According to a 2017 study, listening to happy tunes helps generate more innovative solutions compared to being in silence. Which means, cranking up some feel-good music can help boost your creative thinking and brain power. And if you want to learn how to play music, now is a great time to start because your brain is capable of learning new skills at any point in your life. That's why you're never too old to start playing an instrument like the piano, guitar, or even the drums. 9. Take a new route. Don't get stuck in a rut when it comes to your daily tasks. Instead, be willing to try new ways to do the same things. Choose a different route to get to work each week or try a different mode of transport, like biking or using public transport instead of driving. Your brain can benefit from this simple change, and you might be surprised by how easy it is to change your thinking. 10. Meditate. Daily meditation can calm your body, slow your breathing, and reduce stress and anxiety. But did you know that it may also help fine-tune your memory and increase your brain's ability to process information? Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and spend 5 minutes meditating each day. 11. Learn a new language. Research has overwhelmingly proven the many cognitive benefits of being able to speak more than one language. According to numerous studies, bilingualism can contribute to better memory, improved visual spatial skills, and higher levels of creativity. Being fluent in more than one language may also help you switch more easily between different tasks, and delay the onset of age-related mental decline. The good news is that it's never too late to reap the rewards of learning a new language. According to researchers, you can boost your memory and improve other mental functions by becoming a student of a new language at any time in your life. The bottom line: Focusing on your brain health is one of the best things you can do to improve your concentration, focus, memory, and mental agility, no matter what age you are. By incorporating brain exercises into your everyday life, you'll get to challenge your mind, sharpen your cognitive skills, and possibly learn something new and enriching along the way, too. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos on our channel.